Today we learn how to use the round function in Google Sheets. The round function rounds a number to a certain number of decimal places. Let's take a look at the syntax for the round function. The round function can have two arguments: value, which is the value to round, and places, which is the number of decimals to round the value to. This is optional and the default is 0. Before looking at an example, it is important to understand rounding rules. When rounding to a particular place, the next most significant digit to the right is considered. If the next significant digit is greater than or equal to 5, then the digit is rounded up. If the next significant digit is less than 5, then the digit is rounded down. Here we have a number in cell A4 with 3 decimals, 946.545. In the first example, let's round to the integer. Start the formula with an equal sign, then type round, open parentheses, then specify the number in cell A4 as the argument for value. Leave the places argument blank. This will default to 0, which is what we want since we are rounding to an integer. Close the parentheses, then press tab. The result is 947 since the next significant digit to the right of the decimal is 5, which is greater than or equal to 5, so the rounding digit is rounded up to 7. In the next example, let's round to 1 decimal place. Start the formula with an equal sign, then type round, then specify the number in A4 again as the argument for value, then comma. This time specify 1 for the places argument, close the parentheses, then press tab. The result is 946.5. The next significant digit to the right of the first decimal place is 4, which is less than 5, so the rounding digit is rounded down. In the third example, let's round to 2 decimal places. Start the formula with an equal sign, then type round. Open parentheses, then specify the number in A4 again as the argument for value, then comma. This time specify 2 for the places argument, close parentheses, then press tab. The result is 946.55. The next significant digit to the right side of the second decimal place is 5, which is greater than or equal to 5, so the rounding digit is rounded up. In this video, we learned how to use the round function in Google Sheets. I hope this video has been helpful to you. One more thing, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Please subscribe, comment, and like so I can continue producing tech videos to help you learn more. Turn post notifications on so you will be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired and keep learning.